Alright, what's up, guys? So we're in the car, and it's freaking night out because this girl doesn't know how to come home early. She's eating a pizza.
I work.
I'm pizza. Hungry. But this video is a little weird. It's a little all over the place, so I thought I'd jump in. And I also didn't record an intro. What do you know? None of my videos ever have an intro or an outro. That'll come after. But yeah, I never recorded an intro, so I thought I'd do it now before we finish uploading the video and get it up to you guys, so you guys are not confused. This was a weekend where me and my girlfriend are doing this little thing now where every weekend we go fishing. We never used to do it, but now we do it like every Friday. We go get like some dinner and we head down to a spot and we go throw some poles. So this weekend I had 2 poles. Miracle, I never throw only 2 poles. I usually throw 5. I had 2. We were trying a new spot and we just got there set up and you guys are gonna see what happened. It was madness. Yeah, that's basically it. It was like a short little, hope you guys enjoyed a short little video. I thought I'd just get it out there to you guys because I've been kind of slacking a lot on the YouTube uploads. And we're at 480 subscribers last I checked. So we're climbing. I appreciate y'all. Y'all are some fucking legends. Also got a sick ass shirt from Brother Roy. This thing's badass. This thing also been giving me good luck ever since he gave it to me. Brother. ULUAs, I tell you. ULUAs. Maybe the juju stay on the shirt. Maybe you guys gotta get one, or you guys can get mine one. Just let me know. I give you this one.
You're so
Nah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This intro's getting long already. I got head back in the house because it's cold. Yeah. I'll see you guys in the video. Peace.
Was making you crazy as hell. You were so innocent. You were still. I can't hear no bad vibes, they exhaust me. Lot of niggas in that burger, they be salty. Niggas do icy shot in this floor seat. By the cover.
I ain't fucking on. Oh. You're fucking on, man.
How long we been here? Be careful, it's slippery. What is that?
A mole.
Holy shit!
High five. Fucking 2-9 down.
Fuck! Oh.
Okay.
Do you need this big light?
First time.
Huh?
Huh?
You want me?
Oh, it's flying. thought I lost it.
Huh? Yeah. Don't you have a GoPro?
This.
Huh?
Don't want this.
Be grateful.
I am grateful. Like the first thing, brand new TN50, baby. First tag on speed. I'm tagged. Recording? Huh?
Yeah. What?
Stop. Pull out the bar and my phone's right now. I just thought to see if he's coming down. No, I don't have my light. I have my phone.
Where are you going?
Grab my GoPro. Fuck. What's going on over here right now? Something go off. Something go on. Something, come on. Eat that motherfucker.
Babe.
Eat that motherfucker, please. Love his game.
Babe, I don't think I can fight a pole. Oh!
Oh.
It's on? Oh.
3, 2, 1, let's go. All right, hope you guys enjoyed that video of us absolutely slaying. Like I said, the shirt's fire, brings the juju, brings the ULUAs. How was that move? Thing was in action. That bro, honestly, I don't know if I said it in the video, but we literally just showed up, set up my pole, did my first cast, went to crack open my Subway to take a nice bite of that juicy sweet onion chicken teriyaki. I was like, I had to throw my sandwich on the chair, run to the pole, fight the fish, boom, landed it, took a picture, went straight back. Sandwich was okay. Alright. Took a little fat juicy bite, threw the pole back out, went to take another fat juicy bite. Ding 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 ding. Gone. This chick's looking at herself while I'm recording an outro. You see the stuff I gotta deal with, guys? But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that little session. We'll try and get a weekly upload every week now. I'll be a lot more on it. I have some videos backed up on my computer that I can put out to you guys. It's gonna be like this little short. It's gonna be like these little short, you know, kind of random videos for the next 2 or 3 uploads, just because of the fact of it was all recorded by that one on her phone. That's why some of the clips are up and down, is because she recorded it on her phone, because I wasn't planning on recording any YouTube videos. Like I said in the intro, I've been slacking a lot and I've been off of it. But she recorded it, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna get it out to you guys, show you guys a little bit of what we have been going on. But then from here on out, I'm gonna be taking my GoPro. I'm gonna be actually doing proper intros, doing all that. And also, we've been releasing a lot of fish. I'm pretty sure we released some in that video. I totally forgot already. So that's another thing we've been doing. That'll be in the next video. I'll explain it more in the next video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, you know, I appreciate all the support. I appreciate you guys showing love in the videos. It means a lot to me. You know, it means that you guys love it, especially all the good comments you guys got. Again, Brother Roy, thanks for the shirt. This guy's always a legend. Until next video, we'll see you guys later. Peace.